Goals in Accompt help you stay on track by setting clear targets for each part of your finances. You can set goals to earn a target amount, limit spending for a specified period, save a target amount by a deadline, or pay a target amount toward a debt. Each goal can be set as a one-time target with a deadline, or as a recurring goal on a schedule like weekly, monthly, or yearly. You can also specify which members and accounts should be tracked. To set a goal, navigate to the Goals dashboard and click the Add Goal button. Enter a title for the goal. Then, select what finance type the goal is for, who should be tracked, and what activity should contribute to the goal. Next, set the target amount. And finally, you will select the timeline. For one-time goals, you will enter a start and end date, and for recurring goals, you will enter a start date and cadence. When you are done, click Submit. You can now view your created goals in the Goals dashboard or the Overview page. From here, you'll be able to track your progress and see your results over time. Congratulations on taking the first step toward a clearer financial picture. Welcome to Accompt.